So guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, how to download MSI GeForce RTX TM5070 Ti 16G gaming Troy OC driver. So how to download the driver? So just first guys, open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, enter your graphic card number, model number, and just go to first link, which is officially website of msci.com. You can see this. Okay, so just single click this, then extract the icon you can see here and go click to support. Select the driver, and also automatic select driver. Then guys, you can see that there are two type to install, automatic and manual. So I recommend guys you install the automatic. Automatically detect your drivers, and it's just one click to install it. Okay, so click this and just click to download. Single click to download, it will start automatically. So guys, I already installed, so like that, just click to like that and then click to yes. It will detect, you can see the 11.0.3 like that. You just select and then next to install. After that, restart when driver is installed. Okay, thank you so much.